Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones OPPO Enco Buds 2. So let's start. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on your left and right earbud, but I don't know why on my headphones it didn't work, so I'm just click and nothing happened, but maybe it will work on your headphones, because it should work. Next, if you press two times on your left or right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2. And I'm just play next track. If you press three times on your left one or right one earbud, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. And it worked. Now, if you press and hold your right earbud, you will increase the volume. So, as you can see, it worked. And if you press and hold your left earbud, you will lower the volume. And it also worked. Just pause didn't work. And the last one, if someone called to you and you press two times on your left or right earbud, you can answer the call, and if you again press two times on your left or right earbud, you will finish the call. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!